Really what we're here about is about finding out about you and your connection to the earth and to the universe.
It wasn't what I expected. It's a lot more. It's amazing, brilliant.
We're all energy. The scientists agree. The religious zealots agree. The doctors agree. Everything's made up of energy. Everything in this universe, and it's all connected.
I travelled for 2.5 hours this morning to come to this event, and it's worth every minute of it. Excellent.
Brilliant atmosphere, loving it so far.
Literally, you can have whatever you want. And the only reason you don't have it is because you don't believe you can have it.
This has expanded my mind.
I must say it has been an amazing journey.
Well worth the money.
The event has been unbelievable so far.
Gives you like a release, do you know what I mean? It's very empowering actually.
Totally overwhelmed, very emotional.
Joy, love, gratitude. Believe it's yours. Believe your source energy. Connect to yourself. And anything you want is yours.